Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one comes with 17-inch wheels, illuminated star in the grille, black MB text interior, pano sunroof, rear spoiler, CLA 250 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, multimedia package with navigation, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls. The CLA has 68,051 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this CLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.